Good morning children, Sairam. Children, in the last video we have completed chapter number 6, that is cyber ethics. Okay, so from today onwards we will start new chapter, chapter number 3, HTML basics. Okay, say children, HTML in your computer science book in 10th standard we are having 3 chapters for HTML. Okay, first of all we will discuss basic, then advanced, then more advanced. Okay, so this is a very interesting chapter children. Let's see what we are going to learn today. HTML basically is a kind of language. So in the internet chapter and in the cyber ethics we learned about websites, web browsers, web servers, web clients, about all these terms. Children, when you open any kind of website, like you open Google, you open Yahoo, you open Opera is a web browser, you open any kind of website for searching anything. Okay, like learn CBSE, like different university websites you see, different channels websites you see. Okay, so what you observe on all these websites children, you observe that the representation of that website is very good, which makes you attract. Okay, which makes you attract to open that website, to open that web page. You want to see what is there in that web page. Is that so or not? I think that for me it always attracts. Now, like we are learning computer science, so as a computer science student, as a computer science teacher, when I see different web page, I try to find out how that developer has made that web page, what he has done different, because I know that language, because that makes me that's create curiosity inside me. Okay, so basically HTML is a kind of language which make our simple web page attractive. With the help of different tags we can make our web page attractive children. So let's see how we can make a web page. Today I will tell you only a structure of web page, how we can make that web page, only a small structure. So as we move forward in this chapter, we are going to learn how we can find out different ways for representing our simple data into a representable form. I will teach you each and everything in detail, in practical form also and in theory form also, and from this chapter we will start writing notes also. Okay children, so last 2 chapter have not given you notes because in your book itself, in the back side of your books, all the question answers are near about solved, so no need to write anything in the notebook. So now in this chapter we are going to do programming, so you need to make one notebook and write down all the notes in that notebook. Okay children, so let's start what we are going to discuss today. Let's see. Okay, now topics to be covered today in this video. We are going to discuss about introduction, what is HTML actually. Then we are going to learn about HTML and its features, what are the features are there in the HTML, so that we can make our pages attractive, we can develop our own new pages. Okay, HTML tags, we are going to discuss about tags. In this we are going to use tags so that we can make our data beautiful, attractive and useful. Okay, now tags is also having different types. We are going to discuss about that also. In tags different attributes are also there, so that we can use that tags in different manner. Okay, that we are also going to discuss. Then send text rules, sorry, it is send, not it is syntax, sorry, this is mistake here, it is syntax. rules for writing text. Now what is syntax? This is a very new word for you. What is syntax? Syntax is a kind of formula. Like in the maths you learn formulas, in the same manner in computer also few formulas are there, but we don't say formulas, we say syntax. What are the rules for writing particular thing in a particular format? That is called syntax. So each tag has particular format, so we need to take care about that syntax, children. Okay, then at the end today I will tell you the structure of HTML document, how actually we can make HTML document, how actually we can create a web page. So a very simple text I will tell you today. After that, with the videos, we will go more detail. Okay, we will go inside those details whatever needed in this chapter. Okay, so let's start with the introduction today. uh, okay, let's move to the next slide. Next slide, introduction. Now in introduction, HTML stands for, what is the full form of HTML? HTML full form is hypertext. H stand for hypertext markup language. So it is a kind of language in which we use hypertext. Now what is hypertext? Hypertext means on clicking on particular word, on any sentence, you simply jump on another web page. So let me give you one example here. Like if you open any kind of website, children, you see, you always see like something is written, suppose XYZ is written and it is underlined and in blue color, and on that particular word or sentence one hand like structure is there. So what is the meaning of that? You need to click on that particular word. After that you can open that particular web page. Is that so or not? So that is called hypertext. Hypertext means it is basically interlinking of two web pages, two or more web pages through hypertext links, children. Okay, I will tell you how to make hypertext. Okay, in this, it is a collection of platform independent styles. So it is a independent style. So different styles are there in this HTML language. Like you can write in italic, you can write in underline form, you can use small letter, you can use capital letters, anything. So different styles are there. So it is a kind of platform which gives you independency. Okay, now HTML provides predefined tags. Predefined means the tags which are already have some meaning. Okay, like if you want to show something in paragraph, so there is p tag for that. If you want to show something in bold letter, b is there, small b or capital B, anything. So different tags are there which has specific meaning. No need to give your meaning, already it is predefined. Like in the dictionary, if you find meaning of particular word, okay, that is already defined in that dictionary. You are not making a new word and not creating a meaning of that word. Is that so? In the same manner, in HTML also it provides you predefined. Pre means it already in advance, it has meaning. The tags which we are introducing in front of you, it has meaning, specific meanings they are having. Okay, then HTML uses hypertext. Now in the previous slide I told you what is the meaning of hypertext. Hypertext means a text which on clicking on that text you can jump on the second web page, on the another web page. Okay, now HTML is a markup language. HTML is a markup language. Markup is what? HTML tags to do next inside them. The markups are read and interpreted by the browsers that display the marked element as per the specification. HTML is therefore a markup language used for developing web pages, children, which are connected through hyperlinks. Okay, so these are the features which are there in the hypertext markup language. So with in the coming video we will use each and every features. Okay, then let's move to the next slide. Next slide is about HTML tags. Now what are HTML tags? What is the meaning of HTML tag? HTML tags are the fundamental elements of an HTML documents. Okay, so tags basically tell the browser which element to present in a web page and how to present them. Suppose, let me give you one example. If I'm writing hello, okay, I want to represent this hello in the bold letters, like in the Microsoft Word you are having bold tag in the above scroll bar. In the same manner, if in the HTML while designing a web page, if you want to show something in bold, how you can represent like this? You can use B tag for that. Okay, like this, then write hello, then you need to close this B tag. Okay, so these are the tags are the basically it tells the browser which element to present in a web page and how to present them. So if we are writing hello, before that and after that we need to put some tag so that it can tell the browser that this particular text should be represented like this only. Okay, now tags define the structure while the browser determines the appearance. Now tags gives a structure, like this particular text should be in italic, this particular text should be underlined. So who is telling these things? Tags are telling. And what browser is doing? Browser show that particular data in the same format in front of you. So which browser we will use? Mostly we will use Google Chrome, we will use Internet Explorer, Opera also we can use. Okay, so basically HTML tags are fundamental elements of an HTML document, in which tags tell the browser which element to present in a web page and how to present them. Is that clear? Now children, where a web component appear in a web page is determined by the order in which tags appear in the HTML document. Now let's move to the next slide. See, for example, body. Now opening tag, hello tag, you are able to see all this thing in this slide. See children, about tags I need to tell you, I want to tell you something. Like if you are representing something, if you are writing tag, you need to open with this sign. This is the less than sign, and you have to close by this sign. This is the greater than sign. So between both the sign, if you are writing something, it means this is tag, this is a tag. Okay, all the tags have the same format. They begin with the less than sign, and ends with the greater than sign. Okay, like if you are able to see this body, before B you are having less than a sign, and after Y you are having greater than sign. So you are opening tag. What is the meaning of this? You are opening body tag here. Now between body, this, if you notice that here also body written, here also body written, but there is a difference between both the things, because most of the tags are used in pairs. We use tags in the pairs, children. Okay, the first tag is called opening tag. So when we are writing like this, it means we are opening body tag, and when we are using this backslash before body, it means you are closing that tag. So what is the need of opening and closing here? Basically we need to tell the scope of that particular tag. Like let me give you one example. I want to show this hello world in bold letter. Okay, only hello world I want to show in the bold letter. So I need to tell the scope of that. Okay, so how I can represent? I will write B, I will close. So I am opening bold tag here, then I am writing hello, because I want to write this hello in the bold letter, only this hello. So I need to close this by using backslash. Okay, so when I'm representing this hello in my web page, only this hello will be bold. Rest of the things come in the normal way. Okay, so this is called scope. From where we need to use tag, and from at what place we need to end that. That is called closing tag. Is that clear? Okay. Now let's move to the next slide. Now, HTML tags. HTML tag are having types also. We have just learned that HTML tags give structure to HTML document and tell the browser how it should be display the content on the website. So now we are having two types of tags. First is container and second is empty text. There is a difference between container and empty text. Let me give you one example for that. After that you all are able to understand what is the difference between container tags and empty text. See children, container tags need both opening tag and closing tag. Like in the previous slide I told you, I'm using B, then I'm writing hello, then I'm closing this bold tag. It means this is a kind of container tag, because in this I have used opening tag also, I have used closing tag also. So again I'm repeating, container tags need both an opening tag and closing tag. Like this, we need to open also, we need to close by using the backslash. Okay, these tell the browser when to begin a command and when to end it. So closing means it tells us when we need to stop. Most tag comprise container tag. Most of the tags we are using in the HTML document are the container tags. Very less tags we are having as an example of empty text. Let's see which we are having as empty text. So in the empty text children, we need only opening tag. We need only opening tag. No need to close that. For example, P, paragraph tag. If you are using this tag, no need to close it. If you are using this HR tag, HR means horizontal rules. If you are using BR tag, means break the line. So all these tags do not require any closing. So all are belongs to the empty tag. Okay, so again I am repeating, HTML tags basically we are having of two types. First is container tag and second is empty tag. In the container tag children, we need to open that tag and we need to close that tag also by using the backslash. But in the empty tag, no need to close it, only opening is there. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. Now in the next slide we will talk more about container tag. So same things are written which we have already discussed, like in container tag need both an opening and closing tag. Same point I have discussed with you. It tells the browser when to begin and when to end. For example, HTML, body, font, all these tags are the example of the container tag. When we are using these tags in the HTML document, we need to open also, we need to close also. Okay, so now let's talk about empty tag. Empty tag means only opening tags are required. Common empty text we use are HR, BR and P. HR means horizontal rule, BR means line breaking, P means paragraph. Okay. Now next slide is about tag attributes. Now what are tag attributes? Tag attributes are added to tag to enhance the way the tag displays the content on the web. They are made up of three components. Okay, now tag attributes means, like if we are using any tag, like let me give you one example. If we are using any tag, before giving example let me tell you they are made up of three components, like name of the attribute, whatever attribute we want to use, then sign equal to sign we need to use, then value of the attribute. So with the help of example this will be clear to you. Like we are having body tag, we are having individual body tag. Okay, this is the existing one tag we are having. Okay, so with this body tag, inside body tag we can use one attribute, that is bg color. Now what is the meaning of bg here? Bg means it add a background color to the body of the web page. So if web page is there, in that if you want at the back side you want any color, okay, so for that you can use bg color. So body tag is already existing one. Inside that body tag we are using external attribute for adding something more. Like here you can see body, then bg color we are using inside this brackets only, then we are giving bg color yellow. Okay, so when you type anything inside the body, the background of that text get yellow color. So this is called attribute. Okay, now second example, we are having second example number 2, to change the color of block of text to blue. Now by default, if you're writing anything in the HTML document, children, by default its color is black. So if you want anything in red color, if you want anything in orange color, so what you will do, you will do an attribute with the font tag. Again, like body is the existing tag, in the same manner we are having font existing tag. So with font, if you use color, it means you want to change the text color. So by default it is black. If you want to represent in something else color, then you can put. So here we are giving blue. So after this, when you type anything, the text color appear in blue color. Okay, so in the again I am repeating that tag attributes are basically a additional feature in the existing tag. Okay, so I might be you all are thinking what I am explaining to you, you will be clear when I show you live. I show when I give you practical experience about all the tags, all small thing which I am discussing right now, you will be clear with that. Okay, now let's see syntax rules for writing tags. So we need to take care about few things when we are writing tags. First is HTML tags consist of left angle bracket, tag name and right angle bracket. So when that text is called tag, if you are writing any text, how it can be converted into tag? Like if you are writing body simply, this is not a tag until and unless you are putting less than sign and greater than sign before and after the body. So that is called tag. We say left angle bracket and right angle bracket. Okay, for example body, this example is given here. Okay, next slide. Next rule is tags come in pairs. Now how tags come in pair? Like we have discussed in types, we are having tag types. So we need to open that tag, we need to close that tag. Like HTML, if you are opening HTML, then we need to close that HTML also. If you are opening B tag, we need to close B tag also. So we can say that tags, mostly tags come in pairs. Now the and tag looks just like start tag except a slash precede the text within the bracket. So we are talking here opening and the closing tag. They look similar, like B is here, but only difference between them about slash. While closing tag we are using slash, children. Okay, next rule is HTML tags are not case sensitive. What is the meaning of case sensitive? Case sensitive means for HTML capital letters and small letters are same thing. Children, there are many languages in which they worry about the case, like in your syllabus Python is also there, that language is not case sensitive. For Python, small a and capital A are two different things, but for HTML, capital A and small a is similar. Meaning of both a is same. Like if you are writing title like this and if you are ending title like this, for HTML it is okay, but for other language it is not okay, because they are not case sensitive. They are case sensitive and HTML is not case sensitive. Okay, this is our last slide for today's video. This is a basic structure of HTML document. In the from the next video we will start the practical work. So today is just the introduction of this chapter I am giving you. Let's see what is there in this slide. Structure of HTML document. So how actually you made HTML document? Like you need to write first HTML, then the very first tag is HTML, so last tag should be HTML. Okay, so in the manner we are writing from the above, in the same manner we need to close from the last. Like HTML is here, it is the first tag, in the same manner it should be end with HTML. Then head is there, then second last is head is there, then title should be closed. All are the container tags. Okay, then you are writing body is closed here. So what things are representing in the web page? Whatever you are writing inside the body tag. So your HTML document is having body tag. If you want to make a web page, you need to write each and everything inside this body only. Okay, body represent the things on the web page. Okay, so this is your basic structure of HTML document. All these tags we are going to use while making the web page. Many other tags also there, but these are the basic. Without this we are not able to make the web page, children. So every tag has different and very important reason. So I will told you about all this thing in detail in the next video with the practical work, children. Till then, try to learn, try to understand all these concept whatever I have discussed today. Read out your book. Okay, till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.